Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss introduction and definitions of understanding elementary shapes. Okay. First, what is line and what is line segment? Suppose if you have two endpoints and if you draw line and if you have two endpoints to a line, then it is called line segment. Okay, it is called line segment. Any line which have two endpoints. This line, the small line, is also called as line segment, and representation of line is AB bar. You should keep dash upwards, AB bar. Okay, this is a representation of line segment. Okay, any line which have two endpoints is called line segment. Remember that. Okay, observe, and in line segment you have two terms like observation and tracing. So what they mean? If you take two lines like as you observe, first line is smaller and second line is quite bigger than first line, right? If you just see like this, you cannot understand. Like if you have line like this, which have observe second line, this is somewhat bigger than first line, but just observing, just by seeing it, we cannot clearly understand that second line is bigger than first line, because just by appearance, just by observation, you cannot judge or you cannot decide it correctly that this line is bigger or this line is smaller, because it seems like these two lines are same. If we see generally in textbooks or in any, like in any if you see just like that, you cannot decide it whether this line is bigger than that. If you have lines like this, will confuse to judge whether these two lines are same or this second line is bigger than first line or not, because there might be slight difference between them. There might be 0.4 centimeters. Like first line is maybe 4 centimeters shorter than second one, but we cannot clearly we cannot observe that second one is the only bigger one. So through observation, we cannot say it clearly. And what is tracing? Tracing is a method where if you have two lines and if you want to find out the length of these two lines, first what you do is we should take a paper, okay, and we should place in this first line and we should measure this. Suppose this is 6 centimeters, okay, and you should take that paper and you should take that paper and place in the second line. This paper only, this length only, this paper only, I'm placing it in second line and I'm checking it whether it is bigger or not. Of course, second line will be bigger because this paper is smaller. As I took length of first line paper and I have placed in second line, the line will be bigger than paper, right? So by this we can say that second line is bigger than first line, because through paper we are testing it, but this is a lengthy process, because taking a paper, measuring first line and taking that first line, we are keeping it into the second line and judging whether it is bigger or not, right? So it is a time taking process. So what is the correct method? By seeing, we cannot judge whether that line is bigger or smaller than other line if it is have slight difference between those two lines. So through scale or through protractor or anything, through a measuring instrument, we can say it correctly. What I'm conveying is, just by seeing we cannot judge that this is the line which is smaller, or this is the line which is larger, or how much centimeter that line contains. Through a correct measurement instrument only we can judge it. Okay, so I hope you understand